great care was taken in drafting the article so as not to make it about Mr. Depp or Ms. Heard's relationship with him.
Following the closing statements from Johnny Depp's attorneys, Amber Heard's lawyer Benjamin Rottenborn addressed the jury before their verdict on the actor's $50 million defamation lawsuit. In his closing argument, Rottenborn told the jury that the actress would win the case even if Amber were abused just once. He also implied that Depp's witnesses might be getting paid, but as it turns out, it's their team that paid the witnesses, and he accidentally mentioned it during the closing arguments. So what did Rottenborn say, and how did it affect the pending appeal? Let's find out. The witnesses that Mr. Depp has paraded up here, they're on his payroll, almost all of them, Rottenborn said. After the 15-minute morning break, Rottenborn asked the jury to focus on the kind of message that Depp's legal team was pushing for victims of domestic violence. Adding to his previous statement, the lawyer told the jury that they would be an accomplice to Depp's alleged domestic abuse if the verdict was in his favor. But as it turns out, Rottenborn was leading and recruiting Amber Heard's former friends and paying them to testify, which then means that they weren't allowed to change their stories from the divorce depositions. In a leaked request for admission document, it can now be proven that Rottenborn and Amber paid witnesses to lie under oath, including Joshua Drew, Elizabeth Mars, Ellen Barkin, Tillett Wright, and Raquel Pennington. The lawyer then tried to cover this by making a divergent statement toward the end of the hearing. During the closing argument, Rottenborn alleged that Johnny Depp had somehow paid the witnesses he brought in to speak against Amber Heard. This is what he said in detail. The witnesses that Mr. Depp has paraded up here, they're on his payroll, almost all of them. They're telling you whatever they need to tell you to get on his side, just as we told you in the opening. Again, this is lying under oath because he cannot prove that Depp paid his witnesses. Numerous supporters of Depp tore into Rottenborn's allegations and his addressal to the jurors, while others joked about how the lawyer exaggerated the incidents between Depp and Amber. And the witnesses saga is not the only thing Rottenborn lied about in Virginia and may end up affecting Amber's appeal. During the trial, the lawyer claimed that Johnny Depp lied about being sober for 18 months before traveling to Australia to film Pirates of the Caribbean: Dead Man Tell No Tales in 2015. Rottenborn was referring to an insurance form taken out by the Walt Disney Company, where one section asked if he had taken illegal substances, whether prescribed by a physician or not, and the actor checked no. The actress's defense was reportedly contending that her former husband lied on the form. A source close to the Depp team said this regarding Rottenborn's claims in court. Mr. Rottenborn's aggressive and coincidentally jackhammer approach toward a man who had suffered extensively over the last 6 years proves that the mistreatment of Johnny goes well beyond Ms. Heard's grievous behavior. Colorful texts, which Johnny has already apologized for, do not equate to physical actions, and Mr. Rottenborn still has not been able to connect the two, nor will he ever be able to. So Depp's team has more than one instance of Rottenborn lying under oath, and how they will use that during the appeal is yet to be known. And to even make things worse, legal experts now believe Depp will have nothing to lose in the upcoming appeal. Sharing their thoughts on the Aquaman actress's latest attempt to win something in the legal battle against Depp, legal experts say that Amber's appeal is unlikely to be successful. The difficulty in an appeal is not only proving the court erred, but also that the error caused a big enough error that the verdict was likely impacted. In short, that is rare and unlikely in this case, one expert explains. Now that Depp won the hearing without including the lies of Rottenborn and co., you can only imagine how the appeal will go. And that's it from this video. Until next time, bye!